I'm starting from form today. So let's deal with form in HTML. Let's start our documents by selecting HTML here. Let's start it like this. So form example. So inside this body, that's where you want to form. What do you understand by form? In any website, if you want to register, you want to log in, you can see it will show some inputs. That's where you enter your name, your email, your password. So how can you now do that section? So that was what you do today. Now let's, if you want to start it, you start with form. Form, form. Press enter. Now inside there, that's where you now put your form and your what you need. Now in this my form, I want name, I want gender, I want password. So let me have that. So to get that name, you start with input. So this input means you want to collect something from user. So what is that thing? Name. So input. This type means what's the data type of the input you want to collect? Just text because it's name I said. So it will be text. So leave this one blank. Leave this one blank. We don't need it now. So let's save our file and see what's going on. We save inside lecture folder. Let's call this one form.html. Okay, let's run it. You can see, you see the text box A. That is where you can enter something. That is what is called input box. But which type of text can I enter there is what, which type of thing where can I enter there is text. You see, in fact, I can enter number, anything. Okay, but if I put number here, what will happen? Let me type. It does not accept until I use number. So why? Because I said it should accept only number. What if I put tel? That it will accept only telephone number. It can be +234816666. Let me put a is still going, but this is to accept only number. What if I put dates there? Refresh. You can see it should bring calendar. So that is date. Yeah, what if I put date time? It will bring date and time together. What if I put time? It will bring time. What if I put color? Let's try what will happen. You can see it brings color out. See, okay. Now let me now have I need only my name to be here. You see, but this text box is telling me nothing. So we want something to be there. They call it placeholder. Put space. Place. Don't forget that this is input. In this tag, we have attribute called type. So that attribute type is what? It should be text. Which type of input you want to collect from people? Text. What is the name of this input? None. We don't put name there. So you want to add more attribute space. Placeholder. This placeholder you see now, enter your full name. You can see the meaning of placeholder. If I enter something disappear, it come back. So that's meaning of placeholder. Enter your full name. Let's put BR, that is break. Come down, add another input. Okay, I said I need gender. Let me use gender. That gender will be what? you select. So it will be in form of what? It will be in form of drop down. So or a select box. We call it drop down or you call it a select box like this. Select. So inside this select, we are going to have what is called option. What is the first option? We have male. The second option, female. If you want more, add option. Okay, let's run it. You can see it. Male, female, male. So that's how that one works. Okay. Now what if I want something like um maybe to check whether, let me say select package. Let me do it like this. Label. Label. The meaning of label is maybe okay. Let me start from here. You want to explain to people that what they need to enter here. Maybe you don't want to use placeholder. If you don't want to use placeholder, can just put it there like this. Label full name. That is the label of this place to be full name. This like this. You can see they know their full name. They enter their full name here. So you can add like this. So under here we have label, gender. So that they know that that's their gender. Another one, label, package. Let me call this one package. Instead of package, inputs. Inputs. This should be, let me use radio. Name. So let's call this one free. Break is to come to the new line. Let's run this first. After this select, let me put break so that it come to the new line. Okay. Now if you check here, package. See this. If I click on it, you can see how it checks. So this is what is called radio box. So that is radio inputs. This another package is this. You do it like this. Inputs. Type radio again. Let's call this one premium. And check what will happen. You can see we have the first one, we have the second one. But what happened? This one is checked, this one also is checked. That is wrong. When I click on this one should uncheck. When I click on this one should uncheck. What will happen is that they should have the same name. So put any name here. Let me use package. Any name, put any name there, but the name must be the same. You can see they must be the same so that you know check. But both of them will not check together like this. Like this. You can see it leaves this place. See here. Okay. Now after this package, you come down. Let me have another label. Let me break first. Another label for email. Email. So inputs. What is type? Email. Call it email. That's all. Refresh. You can see for email. They like this. Okay. Now after this one, I want to have another. Okay, let me show you another one. Maybe you don't want to use radio. There's another thing called checkbox. Checkbox. So you see how this checkbox works. You can see like this, like this. The two we check, is checkbox. If I click here, remove. So this is the checkbox, but it's actually radio I want to use. Okay. Now, after this one, you should have a button. Okay, it remain password. Let's have label, password. inputs. Which type?